how much?
It's a 10 rupee note. From what all things you can buy from a 10 rupee note?
Biscuits.
Biscuits,
Snacks.
snacks,
Ma'am, pen.
smallest packet of Lay's,
Ma'am, pen, stationery.
pen, stationery. Yes, because you all require stationery at the most.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but if I say I don't have any money, there was some time when we did not have any money, and then still the economy was working. We still used to have pens. We still used to have chips or Lays or whatever snacks you want to have. Then how would you like purchase? If I say I don't have any money and I want something, and therefore I am saying that there was a time when we used to exchange with the things, then how would you exchange? Yes? Very good. Barter system. Okay. So today we will be studying about barter system. Right? Okay. So basically, if I talk about it, I said there was a time when we were exchanging with goods and services at that time also, but there were no money. That means what I can say, I was having, if I wanted to buy shoes, I want to buy with the shoes, but I don't have money. I want something in exchange of this shoes. For example, I want wheat. Then with whom I'll exchange?
The person who has wheat.
The person who has wheat. But for example, I go to that person, I say I want wheat, you take my shoes, I take wheat. So will that person be okay? Okay. कि आप ले लो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Will that person be okay with that?
No, ma'am.
वो क्या बोलेंगे?
जो उसकी
If he
रिक्वायरमेंट.
requires with the shoes, then only. Yes, very nice. So जिस टाइम पे उनको शूज की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, तो हो सकता है मेरे को वेट की रिक्वायरमेंट ही ना हो उस टाइम पे. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Yes,
हो
ma'am.
सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता? Yes, हो सकता है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि when two people are willing to exchange, then only exchange could happen, right? So barter system and barter economy was such a system where two people were willing to exchange with the goods or services, then we could exchange with the goods. That was a major drawback also, we can say, right? Why? My question is why? क्यों ऐसा हुआ? मतलब क्या रीजन आपको लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है इस तरह के सिस्टम के अंदर? Yes? Yes, ma'am?
मैम हो सकता है कि प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं हो सकता. मतलब मुझे कुछ चाहिए, उसे कुछ चाहिए, तो वो एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं आ सकता ना. वी हैव टू सर्च फॉर इट कि मुझे आप किसी और के पास जाना पड़ रहा है, वहाँ दूर दूर जाना पड़ रहा है कि मेरी ज़रूरत की चीज़ किसके पास है, ये मुझे नहीं पता चल पाएगा इजीली.
वेरी नाइस. सो यहाँ पे शी सेड कि हम एक्सचेंज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा इक्वल जो हमारी इक्वलाइजेशन है वो नहीं मैच कर पा रही है. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि शिफा को 10 गुड्स चाहिए और मेरे पास सिर्फ 9 ही है, तो एक तो क्वांटिटी के टर्म्स में हम लोगों का मैच नहीं हो रहा. दूसरा, मे बी शिफा को शूज चाहिए ही नहीं, उसके पास वेट तो है पर शूज नहीं चाहिए. अब उसकी पसंद की चीज नहीं मिली तो वो क्यों लेगी? ऐसे थोड़ी ना कि ले लिया चलो ठीक है. बट अगर शिफा को चाहिए राइस, ठीक है, एंड राइस किसके पास है? राइस किसी थर्ड पर्सन के पास है, राइट? एंड शिफा को चाहिए राइस, एंड जो ये शूज है वो इस पर्सन को चाहिए जिसके पास राइस है. तो अब क्या होगा? शिफा विल गो टू दैट पर्सन, राइस चाहिए मुझे. ही विल से नहीं, मुझे तो मीट चाहिए ही नहीं, मुझे तो चाहिए शूज. Then what will happen? Shifa will have to go to person who is having shoes. You give me shoes. ठीक है? I want rice. So I'll go to that person and I'll take rice for my meal. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Shifa has to travel a lot. जैसे कि she said कि यहाँ पे we will have a travel cost. अगर हम यहाँ से यहाँ जाएंगे, यहाँ से यहाँ जाएंगे, तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ
Travel.
cost, that means trade cost होगी. So barter system के अंदर what we can say, there is another drawback that under barter system we can say there is another drawback कि आपके पास ट्रेडिंग कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है, शो कॉस्ट जिसे हम कहते हैं. सो वियर एंड टियर इज अ लॉट. अब आपको यहाँ पे कोई मॉनेटरी गेन तो मिल नहीं रहा कि यू आर परचेजिंग, सेलिंग और एनीथिंग, क्योंकि हम उस टाइम की बात करें जहाँ पे मनी था ही नहीं, राइट. सो वहाँ पे अगर आपके एक्सचेंज का इतना ज़्यादा कॉस्ट होगा तो विल यू बी विलिंग टू ट्रेड. अब बोलोगे यार क्या करना है, छोड़ो, कोई आएगा तो उससे एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे अगर हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट का हुआ, राइट.
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
need a response, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means what I can say? Can anyone tell? Barter system की क्या problem थी? Travel cost. Second, quantity,
Preference.
preference. और क्या मैं ये भी बोल सकती हूँ? If there were double coincidence of wants, then only I can talk for exchange. अब मैंने डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ वर्ड्स तो बोल दिया, क्या किसी को पता है वो होता क्या है? एनीवन?
Ma'am, mutual interdependence.
यस, वेरी नाइस. म्यूचुअल इंटरडिपेंडेंस. दैट मीन्स इफ आई एम विलिंग कि मैं शूज के बदले में वीट को एक्सचेंज करूं, तभी मैं उस चीज को एक्सचेंज करूंगी. दैट मीन्स अंडर बार्टर सिस्टम वी हैव what we have? We have various limitations, right? So the limitations we can say, the very first is lack of double coincidence of wants. We can have, if people are not willing to exchange, then we will not have exchange. Basically, we will not have an exchange. So double coincidence of wants, that is lacking. Main here, why I have written it like this, because it is lacking over here, and you need to make sure whenever you are talking about any of the exchange, when we are talking about barter system or monetary system or any of the systems, whenever, right, you need to make sure your keywords are correct. When you are talking of lacking, what does this mean? That whenever the thing is not present in the economy, then we are having some limitation, right? Second, what I said. Yes.
Ma'am, can I add one limitation?
Yes.
There is no quantity definition when it comes to barter system. In the sense ki how much wheat will those shoes buy or
Yes.
exchange?
She said the same thing, that quantity is not equalized. She also said the same thing, and that is the appropriate thing. When there also there is, can I say quality matters in barter system? Yes. How?
मैम लाइक अगर जिस क्वालिटी का बीट हमें चाहिए वो उस क्वालिटी का उसके पास नहीं हुआ तो हमने शूज क्यों नहीं
Very good. Yes, there is the main problem of this also in barter system. So there was a requirement that we required money. There should be a deferred payment system from which we can have something to exchange. As I asked, I have a 10 rupee note. I can buy anything. That comes under 10 rupees basically. But when you will buy something from 10 rupee, you know it is the best thing that I can buy from a 10 rupee note. Yes. So that means barter system had a lot of drawbacks, but at that time it was successful. People were exchanging with goods and services because they were not having any of the money system. So today, what all we understood with this? What all things we got to understand with this?
What is barter system?
Barter system, limitations. Why was it not
Removed.
successful? Did we got to know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? How? Please, basically, can you then? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Because there were a lot of limitation. First is the cost, the quality,
Quality, quantity, transportation. Anything else? We don't have any?
No standardized method of.
No standardized method. Yes. And also we cannot exchange with the things. So your homework for today is you have to draw a table basically where if you don't have any money, then how can you exchange? Basically you have to draw with the cycle and all your favorite items should be there. Right? Okay.